Here's how to fix no sound on WhatsApp status in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, press the volume up button on your phone. Make sure your media volume is turned up, not just ringer volume. Check if silent mode, do not disturb, or focus mode is turned on. Turn it off and try again. Open WhatsApp and play the status again. Make sure the speaker icon is not muted while watching the status. Go to your phone's settings. Open WhatsApp settings and make sure microphone and media access are enabled. Close WhatsApp completely. Then reopen the app and check the status sound again. Open the App Store or Play Store. Search for WhatsApp and make sure it's updated to the latest version. If the problem continues, restart your phone to refresh system audio. And that's it. These steps should fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Subscribe for more WhatsApp and phone tips.